So Mikhail is going to try this
Scotch Bonnet.
yellow one.
It's supposed to be 350,000 Scoville.
I'm scared to try it, but he said he'll go ahead. So
I don't know. I never had like maybe 100,000.
for reference, how hot is like a jalapeno?
Like 3,000 to 5,000 max.
So this is like up to 100 times hotter than a jalapeno, potentially.
I'll start by taking only the end where it's the least spicy. I'll take this. Right now, at least it tastes good, like orange bell pepper.
Oh gosh, you're gonna eat the seed.
I don't really see. I see one seed down there.
Maybe.
Now it started to be spicy.
Maybe don't eat the seed.
What I took mostly was only like skin with. What's spicy in a chili is the white membrane, the white part, the seeds.
Do I take a little part?
Really, right now it's really not spicy that
Let me
much.
see. I'm curious here.
But now from there it will become more and more.
I'm just gonna take a tiny bit. This Scotch Bonnet Yellow. That's super hot. That little?
It's really little.
No seed. That wasn't the white part. Okay.
There's one seed in there, we'll probably keep it.
Yeah. Because I can. This is probably my max of enjoyable heat. Hold on, a little more.
And this one is probably less hot than pure Scotch, like red bonnet.
Yeah, and also because we let it sit, so it's going to be as sweet as it can be.
Yeah. It really tasted like orange bell pepper.
But yes, it is very hot. But I think we can handle it. Now we know.
Do I continue eating it?
Here.
I'll eat the white part.
Oh man.
I see the one seed. It seems when they get really old like that and squishy, there's almost no white part anymore.
Yeah. So they get sweeter the longer they sit.
Do I see like baby seeds?
Yeah, and those are potentially very hot too.
And there's one big seed. I'll take a bigger bite. But maybe orange Scotch bonnet is maybe a lot less, because I don't know. It's just good and it's spicy.
Alright, maybe I'll put a couple of those in my soup tonight. Without the seeds. Definitely hotter than jalapeno.
Yeah, I was getting really hot. I took a big middle part.
So now I found, I think, my ideal strength pepper. I don't know how many Scovilles it is when you do let it sit, but maybe it is less. Like 100,000. I'm only guessing.
Yeah,
I don't know.
This must be like habanero that are like 100,000. Because right now it's really hot, but yeah, let's Probably instead of 300,000, it must be 100.
Mm.
I have to continue eating it to get the full spiciness. And cayenne pepper is really hot too, and
Yeah,
I don't know how much.
I think those are ready soon.
This is hotter than a cayenne, but
Yeah, I mean it's burning. It is,
Mm.
but it's good.
yeah, but they're really small. And, yeah.
And they are, this one, I guess because it's sat, it is pretty sweet, but there's a lot of heat to it too.
Yeah.
But it is really tasty.
Mm.
I think that's my favorite pepper so far.
Mm.
Very delicious.
Mm.
Is that it?
Right.
Mm.
Yeah, I feel it like when it's hot. If it's hot all over your mouth.
Uh-oh.
But this one is smaller. It's like a lot hotter in just certain areas that are bit to it.
Your voice is gone.
Yeah. It makes me burp hot stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Good.
can feel how hot it can be. Like in the hottest area that it is in my mouth,
Mm,
it's really hot. But
yeah.
it's not all over. And then
No.
it doesn't make me go crazy with the snot and the
Right,
tears.
right. Maybe we're meant to handle hot stuff.
Yeah. Maybe it, since it was less juicy, they're older, mature. So it's more oily and the oil stays where you bite.
Yeah, because I
There's
feel
that juice all
certain,
over.
a few hot spots in my
Yeah.
mouth only.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's really hot on those spots.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not all over the mouth where it makes you start tearing a lot more.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Mm.
Interesting.
And it's good. And it feels good for your throat.
Mm.
Like it seems like it's killing stuff that's bad. But there's the one seed.
We'll save that one for sure, because that came from a very delicious pepper.
I want to eat the last part, but
Just, here, give me the seed.
if we touch it like that, then
I know my hand will be
you can't
hot.
go touch your face.
No, that's why it's good where it is.
This will be extremely hot, this part.
I bet.
Those
Prepare.
baby like seeds.
Yeah, that's gonna be hot.
Mm.
I can feel the heat of the seed in the middle of my hand.
Now it will be hot. Let's see. I'm eating it on one spot. Yeah.
Was it hotter?
Yeah, but maybe since I ate it really slowly, I got adjusted to it.
That's true.
But
Yeah.
it's really good. Eat some Asian ramen with this spiciness, and it's good.
Mm.
But this is probably the spiciness that 100 times what Swedes can handle.
Oh my gosh, you know it.
Like the taco salsa and natural salsa. Like the 3 chili ones are not spicy at all.
Like the hot is not hot.
But for Swedish people, it's too hot to. do
Mild
anything.
is hot for Swedes.
But this is good. It really feels really hot on those areas. It feels good.
I'll dare to eat a whole one during this weekend for sure, because that was delicious.
We will have to try all the kinds we have
Yeah.
and see if we end up having one that's spicier than this one.
Okay. Yeah.
But I really like how it feels really hot. It feels like really helping for your health, like killing some bacteria or something.
Of course.
It feels good.
Yeah. I'm sure it does.
And I can feel it really hot down here too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yep.
That's it.
Yeah, with that kind of heat, you can digest airplane parts if you
Mm.
swallow them.
We have to not eat too much and then eat that spiciness because I can feel it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, these are the peppers we will be trying. Like, so yeah, well, I guess we'll have a tasting series of peppers as well because we've got a lot of
Yeah.
kinds. And you can see